it started, you know, dead battery or something.
Oh, that was yesterday. There we go. Woo! Damn it, boy. Oh my God. I'm in love.
That's fucking hot, dude. I would leave it just fucking like that.
I'm in love.
Dave! 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 Potty mouth!
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that looks good.
World of difference, huh?
Fucking nice.
I think you're about to lose some cred.
Oh no.
He wouldn't do that, would he?
Yeah.
No, no, of course not.